Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll walk you through how to write a retirement letter. It is used to officially announce your retirement to your employer, express gratitude for your time at the company, and ensure a smooth transition. You should begin your retirement letter by including your personal details at the top, such as your name, address, email, phone number, and the date. Below that, add the recipient's information, including their name, position, company name, and company address. Next, include a clear and concise subject line stating the purpose of the letter, such as retirement letter. Start the letter with a formal salutation, addressing the recipient by name, e.g., dear recipient's name. This sets a professional and respectful tone for your announcement. After that, write, I am writing to formally announce my retirement from company name effective last working day. After number, years of dedicated service. This decision comes with mixed emotions, as I have greatly valued my time working with the team and contributing to the company's growth. I sincerely appreciate the opportunities, support, and experiences I have gained during my tenure, all of which have been instrumental in my professional and personal growth. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to you and my colleagues for the camaraderie and collaboration over the years. I will ensure a smooth transition of my responsibilities and am happy to assist in any way before my departure. Thank you once again for an enriching and fulfilling journey at company name. I look forward to staying in touch and cherishing the fond memories I have made here. Sincerely, your name. Here's the retirement letter we've created as a sample. You'll notice how it formally announces your retirement, expresses gratitude for your time at the company, and ensures a smooth transition. It also includes essential details such as your last working day and any willingness to assist during the transition period. By following this format step by step, you can create a clear and professional retirement letter that leaves a positive impression and maintains good relationships with your employer and colleagues. And with that, I end this video. If you found it helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips on preparing official letters.